Have you ever wondered how companies decide whether to seize an opportunity or avoid a major threat, or how they know which internal weaknesses to fix first? That is where SWOT analysis comes in. After conducting external and internal analysis, the next step is to combine them into a single framework. The external analysis helps us identify opportunities and threats in the environment. Remember, this is not about the firm itself but about factors outside its boundaries that can affect it positively or negatively. On the other hand, the internal analysis, which we can conduct using frameworks like VRIO, helps us identify strengths and weaknesses inside the firm. SWOT analysis brings these two perspectives together. We put strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats side by side in a table or a simple graph. The goal is not just to make 4 lists. The real value of SWOT analysis is to generate insights and strategies about how the firm should act. For example, a firm can look at how its strengths allow it to benefit from opportunities in the environment, or how it can minimize the impact of threats by reducing weaknesses. Let's take an example. Consider Tesla. An opportunity for Tesla has been the global shift toward renewable energy and clean transportation. One of Tesla's strengths is its advanced battery technology and electric vehicle design. By matching these internal strengths with an external opportunity, Tesla positioned itself as the leader in the EV industry. Now think about Starbucks. A few years ago, a major opportunity emerged in the growing demand for digital payments and mobile ordering. Starbucks used its strong brand and customer loyalty as internal strengths to introduce its mobile app and rewards program. By doing this, it not only captured the opportunity, but also reinforced its competitive advantage. Another interesting case is PepsiCo. For a long time, PepsiCo had a weakness in being heavily dependent on sugary drinks and snacks. At the same time, a major external threat was emerging. Consumers were becoming more health conscious and moving away from unhealthy foods. Instead of ignoring this threat, PepsiCo responded strategically. It acquired companies producing healthier products such as oatmeal, probiotic drinks, bottled water, and juice under the Tropicana brand. It also sold off restaurant chains that were associated with unhealthy food. What could have been a threat was turned into an opportunity. Today, PepsiCo earns significant profits from its healthier product lines. This is a great example of using SWOT analysis to make the right strategic move at the right time. So remember, SWOT analysis is not just about listing strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It is about connecting them and asking key questions, such as, how can the firm use its strengths to take advantage of opportunities? How can the firm reduce its weaknesses to avoid threats? How can the firm use opportunities to overcome weaknesses? And how can the firm use strengths to minimize threats? When you look at the big picture and think about how internal and external factors interact, new strategies and ideas emerge.